is Travis Hedge. I'm a co-founder of Vouch Insurance. We're an insurance company for the technology industry, and we've been doing this for about 5 years. We serve everything from two founders in a WeWork just getting started up to companies that are going public. And so it's really important that we can do the kind of quick, easy, fast thing that our early stage founders expect, and then be able to scale with those companies as they hire GCs, CFOs that really care about getting insurance done right. So our customers have very high expectations, right? These are typically technologists that are used to working with world-class tools and having great customer experiences. And so one of the reasons we started Vouch was to move it from a very paper, email, PDF-driven process to something that meets the expectations of a modern entrepreneur. And so, part of that is our in-house technology, and part of that is the need to work with legacy carriers that have not yet adapted to those standards. And so Anvil plays a really important role for us in being able to translate the unique risks and needs of our client base into the models of how traditional insurance companies think about it. And so in particular, when we set out to build our brokerage business, Anvil was a natural solution. We need to be able to, again, work with the PDFs that traditional insurance companies expect and demand as part of their process, while translating our unique view of the world and how we capture risk attributes from our clients. In the early days of the business, we built a lot of our technology in-house. We were trying to streamline as much as possible to solve for that, get it done quickly, self-serve dynamic that our earliest stage clients were looking for. However, 2021, 2022, it became really clear that we had to keep up with our fastest growing clients. They were raising hundreds of millions of dollars and growing in complexity exponentially, and they had needs that we needed to create new solutions for. And a lot of those new solutions entailed working with more traditional insurance companies. They have document expectations that we had to meet. So Anvil has been a really important tool for us, and not only meeting those expectations for our clients and for our team, but frankly, really being able to scale the business with our most complex, most important clients. So you can always tell pretty quickly from your engineers whether their attitude towards a solution. And I think they're very quickly turned into internal complaints if you're working with a tool perhaps like Salesforce, to I think folks being really excited when you're working with a tool like Anvil, because I could tell our engineering team was just excited about the opportunities that it presented. When we have to go broker a policy with a legacy carrier, they expect sometimes 5, 6, 10, 12, 15 pages of information captured in a PDF. So the first thing that we do is we automatically upload into Anvil the information that we already have stored. So every time we're working with a new application or a new kind of PDF from a carrier, we map that into our proprietary database so that for our customers, they can have that experience of, hey, I've already told Vouch my location, how much capital I've raised, how much revenue I'm generating. Why do I need to enter this several times for every single PDF? So that was, I think, value number one that Anvil has allowed us to deliver, is to pre-populate these applications. I think value number two has been the ability to do it in a modern UI. I think rather than going through a PDF, all the challenges that can present from a user experience perspective, our clients can now, have a modern UI to enter their information in the way that they expect out of a modern tool. And then lastly, it's allowed our team to manage this information and these complex processes a lot more efficiently. If Anvil didn't exist or were to disappear tomorrow, the first word that comes to mind for me is retention. For us, Anvil plays a really important role in retaining our most important, largest, fastest growing clients as they grow and their needs get more and more complex. Anvil plays an increasingly important role there. But it's also retention of our team. Our team, really relies on this to be efficient in their day-to-day work. And the several months, if not, year plus it would take us to replace Anvil, would really slow them down, and I think make their work a lot less enjoyable. So the most important metrics to our business, the Anvil has helped us track and improve. It starts with efficiency. So the number of clients, the amount of premium that a single individual on our team can work with day to day, has increased at least 20 or 30% by working with Anvil. And then secondarily, it has really played an important role in client acquisition and retention. I think in particular for our most complex clients that have the most information and kind of applications to manage, that's frankly hard to quantify. But if I were to try to put a number on it, our top 20% of our clients drive 80% of our premium. And so that's critically important for a business like ours, to be able to provide, what those customers are demanding.